Goodbye, Rompy. Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you here next time. Bye, guys. See you later.
All right, and cut. That was awesome.
Awesome. Thanks, Daniel.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. So I think that's actually it for the day.
Oh, perfect. I am really hungry.
Oh, look, you want to take your lunch break?
Oh my goodness, that'd be awesome. Can I?
Yeah, go for
great.
it. Go for it.
Hi, Rompy. See you later, Popo. All right. See you later, Daniel.
Yeah, see you, Anna. Have fun.
Thanks. Woo! All right.